Hello, Governor. I am a lamplighter. Well, I can turn anything on but a woman. Oh, it's good work too. Night lighting. Bad things happen in the dark. You could run into a wall or slip and fall.
Plus, the dark can be just plain scary. It makes the kiddos insecure.
Of course, that's why night lights were invented. But not all night lights are created equal. The most popular is plug-ins, but who knows why. They're bulky, unattractive, and take up outlet space. Plus, they break easy. And if they don't break, they burn out quickly and need replacing like an out-of-shape husband. Hey. No offence, mate. And then there is the greatest night light in all of history. Introducing the Snap Power Guide Light. It is the simplest and most ingenious and most convenientest night light that ever was. To install, simply remove the existing outlet cover and replace it with the Snap Power Guide Light. And voila! It installs in seconds and provides pathway lighting all through your house without taking up a single outlet space. That's right, it installs in literally seconds. The patented prongs on the back of the guide light snap onto your existing outlet to conduct its electricity. So no wiring, no batteries required. And because it looks exactly like your existing outlet covers, you don't even notice it's there until you need it.
The light sensor turns the LED lights on automatically in the dark, so there's no trouble turning them on every night or off in the morning.
And for all this ease, you'll pay just 10 cents of energy for the entire year. And because they're LEDs, not bulbs, they'll last for decades. That's right. Instead of 25 weeks, these little beauties will last 25 years. Use them anywhere and everywhere to see what you need to in the dark. Hallways, stairways, bathrooms, kids' rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, countertops, muffin tops. So because you like to see in the dark, click now to visit snappower.com to get the best night light in history for your home and light up your life. Hundreds of thousands of other people have already bought the Snap Power Guide Light based on strong reviews from all these media outlets. And that's just a handful. According to the #1 magazine in do-it-yourself and home improvement, it's the best night light in history. So how many geniuses does it take to install a Snap Power Guide Light? None. A moron can do it. It just takes a genius to buy it. So click now.
Mango introduces the Slim Snap Magnetic Air Vent Mount. The Mango Air Vent Mount comes with easy installation instructions, 2 metal adhesive plates, and the magnetic air vent mount. With its slim and versatile design, the air vent mount makes mounting your electronic devices easy. To use the Mango Slim Snap Magnetic Air Vent Mount, attach one of the metal mounting plates to the back of your device, between the device and the case, or behind the battery backplate. For the strongest hold for larger devices, attach the metal plate to the outside of the case or directly to the device. To mount the air vent magnet, choose between one of 2 sized slits on the mount and slide it all the way onto the air vent. Then, attach your device. With 360-degree mounting flexibility, mount your devices at any angle that suits the driver's needs.
Simple. It's about overcoming complexity. Simple for us means being smarter about everything we do. We wanted to apply that idea to make us healthier. A main component of being healthy is, are you moving enough? So we wanted to ask that very simple question and answer it with a simple product. So we came up with the Shine. The Shine is an activity tracker that's smart, elegant, and really strong. It's carved out of a block of solid metal. If you want to be technical about it, it's carved out of aircraft-grade aluminum by micro laser drills, so we built it to last. Because it's made of solid metal, transmitting wirelessly is almost impossible. But to keep things simple, we developed a new type of wireless sync technology. All you have to do is place the Shine on your smartphone. The Shine synchronizes with your phone, communicating with the app, which is now available on the iOS App Store. Your sync is complete. No wires, cables, or pairing. Simple, and I think really cool. After studying how people use their activity trackers, we noticed the main use: making sure you reach your daily activity goal. With the Shine, you check your progress by tapping the surface. The LED lights display how close you are to achieving your goal. Answering the question, are you moving enough? It registers your bike pedals, swim strokes, and distance traveled by sensing your movements. And it's the size of a quarter, so it's easy to wear even when wearing almost nothing. It's waterproof, practical, and elegant.